All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. I got Mr. Fly&Ride Senior right there. I've got a quick video for you. We're gonna change out these blinkers for the Harley Davidson blinkers that came out probably about a year ago. I'm not sure. I really like the way that they look. And Mr. Fly&Ride Senior is gonna help me do this quick install here, and I'm gonna show it to you here on the Fly&Ride channel. But before we do, I'm Fly&Ride, and on this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here, and my 2022 BMW R1250 GS. Do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. We are in the Fly&Ride garage because it is 92 degrees outside, but this is temperature controlled. And by the way, highly recommend, if you've got a garage, that you invest in one of these bad boys right there. That's called Mr. Cool, and it is a nice and cool 70 degrees in here. Check out, get lowered cycles right there. So the garage is temperature controlled. So in the summertime, we can do work here, which I'm doing right now, and in the wintertime, it also heats up the entire garage and maintains that temperature. So highly recommend it. All right, so I'm gonna show you these lights. I'm gonna turn this on here real quick. I love these lights, they're great. I just like the way that these new Harley Davidson blinkers, particularly the ring around it, I think it's much more pronounced, but I'm gonna let you also let me know down in the comments below. All right, let me show you these lights. All right, so that's custom dynamics, which I absolutely love. So that's what they look like now, which again, I absolutely love. Nothing wrong with these blinkers. They also turn amber when you put the signals on. I'm gonna show you that now. All right, so that's what they look like now. Let's do this quick install here real quick, and then we'll show you a quick after view, and then you can let me know down in the comments what you think. All right, so let me show you what the problem is here, or what the challenge, I should say, here is. You see this? This is the actual plug that is on the bike. And as you can tell, this is the plug that comes on this light. This plug here, you can tell, was cut originally, and they put this end here to fit these custom dynamics to the plug of the bike. So what we've got to do is we've got to cut these wires, and then cut this wires here, switch this plug with this plug, and then that will now work with the bike. So that's what we've got to do. So again, this is specific to the CVO. I'm not sure why it's like this. These lights are specific for the CVO. I ordered it directly from Harley. Let me know down in the comments below if you've seen this issue before, and you know, let me know what you think. All right, so we're gonna do that real quick, and then we'll put it back on, and then I'll show you the video afterwards. Look at that. So that's the new one. Look at the old one. Still very good, but this thing is so much brighter, and it's got that beautiful halo, which I really like. Look at that. Let me put there's the other one. Actually, let me put the blinkers on. All right, so that's the new one. That's the prior one. I think the blinker is brighter than this one, but this is brighter with the regular light. Yep. All right, let's finish up the work here, and then we'll show you the complete job afterwards. So this is the actual part number here. And this is the box. This is what it looks like outside of the box. There's that plug that it comes with. All right, we are now complete. Check it out. You can even see that ring there. It just looks really nice. All right, let me turn it on so you can see the before and after. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo. See that? See that nice ring? That nice ring? Man, that just looks awesome. So what do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. Do you like this look better? Do you like the before? I absolutely like these much better. Let me put the blinkers on. All right, so again, let me know down in the comments below. That's going to do it for this short video, quick install. That's the kind of stuff we've got here for the channel. Product reviews, product upgrades, all things here on the Fly and Ride channel. So do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.